about equal fractions. Last time we talked about a simple problem. You can watch that video here by clicking on the link below. Link above. Now let's do another exercise. Take a look at this. What do you see? Well, 2 out of 6 is equal to 1 out of 3. But why, you may ask? That's because they are both the same size. For example, even if I ate 1 piece in the first pizza and 2 pieces in the second pizza, they are equal because in each the portion of the pizza is eaten. Take a look at this picture and see for yourself. Well kids, in the next video we will look at more examples. Thanks for watching my channel and remember to subscribe and smash the like button and bell icon. And bye bye!